everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I'm just going to sit down for a few minutes and do a little bit of journaling, finish up what I started yesterday, so I hope you can pull out your journal for 5 or 10 minutes and come along with me. So in my journaling yesterday, you saw me put down a few of those stickers that you see on that page. But this morning, my mom and I ran around to a couple shops. There's this really cool shop in our city called Quill and Nib. And it's this man who makes his own, he makes fountain pens, and then they sell a bunch of journals and stuff there. It's like a stationery like specialty pen store, and it's really awesome, and my mom and I like to go and look around and oogle all the beautiful things. Oh, I could drop some serious cash in there. And then we stopped by the fabric store to pick out some fabric that my mom is going to cover some journals for the kids with that fabric. So I just grabbed a little piece of paper and a card from each of those places because I thought I would stick those in my journal to commemorate that we went there. And then Addie had to do a little about me poster for school, and so I had printed out a bunch of pictures from Walgreens and cut out this one. She was a brand new newborn there, and she was in this little tutu, and the tutu was bigger than she was, but there wasn't room on the sheet on the poster for that picture, so I saved it and I just put it in my journal. I love doing that, like, even though it has nothing to do with what's going on today, except for it is Thursday and she's got dance tonight, so the little tutu, it kind of works. But yeah, I just like to save things like that. And then yesterday, somebody in the comments said I should take some suggestions from you guys about things to doodle, just to get my creativity flowing. And she said she loves owls and coffee. So I took my book that is How to Draw Almost Everything. It's in that same series, kind of, as the How to Draw Almost Every Day that I'm doing my doodles with. And I found an owl. I think this was like a barn owl or hooting barn owl or something like that. And I'm drawing a little owl, and I try and make him holding a coffee cup. Now, in the picture, he's obviously not holding a coffee cup, so I sort of bent his wing so that he is holding it. And I just using some Mildliners and colored pencils to give him a little bit of color. And this was different for me because I usually don't try and draw like realistic animals. I think this was probably the first one that I've ever done. I mean, as realistic as an owl holding a coffee cup can be. So this is cool. This is a cute book, and it makes drawing things easier, like owls and tigers and stuff like that. And then I'm just journaling about how my mom and I went to those shops quick. And then the other exciting thing was that we booked our tickets to go to Florida here in about 4 weeks. So I am just so excited, you guys. Oh my gosh, I just need some beach time, and it has been so long since we have been on a vacation. So my parents are going to be down there, so we're just going to meet them for a couple days. Just enough time to enjoy some beach time. And so I'm just looking really forward to that. It gives me something to kind of like set my sights on, and the kids are going to be so excited. We haven't told them yet. So I just grabbed a sticker from one of the American Crafts sticker books. I don't know if this is the Everyday Life one or the Paige Evans one. I can't remember. I'll try and find them both below. But I just stuck those boxes on there, and then I wrote booked Florida tickets on one of them. And then on this other square, I stuck these cute sunglasses, and then I'm going to use the alpha letters from the sticker book to write Florida countdown 4 weeks. So I won't, bore you with the process of putting them all in there, but that's what I wrote. And I like that it's not perfect. It doesn't look perfect. It's just fun, and it kind of chronicled the different things that we did today. And I don't know, it all seems to just work out like that. So just made me really happy. And then added my Mildliner hearts, which you guys know are my signature. I just love those. And I just use one of the pink Mildliners and add hearts to my pages because it kind of fills in blank space, and I just think it looks so cute. And then I'm using a Tombow to color in my little block letters for Florida, FL. And then I'm using my Posca to draw some yellow polka dots. So that's it, guys. It was a short little session, but it was fun and colorful, cheerful, and just kind of documented what we did today. So I hope that gives you some ideas of things to use, stickers and pictures, leftovers that you have sitting around. I hope you are inspired to get some journaling done. Thanks, guys.